To hear something crazy, and I'm going to say I am not the only one that thinks like this. So, what I would like you to do, I want you to save this video, I want you to share this video, and I want you to follow me because I know a lot of you here on TikTok are just like me. My entire life, since I was a little kid, I've been telling myself I'm not good enough. And I've repeated that over and over. I'm not good enough. I'm not smart enough. I don't have enough knowledge. I'm an introvert. I'm pale. I'm a redhead. All these circumstances that I put here in my brain had stopped me in my tracks. I didn't realize this, and this is the crazy part. I didn't realize this until I started a business online. And starting a business online was very, very challenging for me. Some of the things that I've told myself that has created the mindset that I carry around daily of not being good enough, not being smart enough. I don't have the gift of gab. People are going to judge me. My family is going to make fun of me. It may not work. I may fail. And it literally has stopped me in my tracks. I was like, you know what? How many people truly do this? I'm here to let you guys know, guys, I am just an ordinary girl. I'm an ordinary person that figured it out in her 50s. I need to start changing my mindset because I am good enough. This is a non-negotiable for me, and it should be for you. I started out with zero experience, zero followers, no skill, no knowledge, but I'm doing the work, and I've been doing the work for a long time, guys. The success does not happen overnight. You have to build your following. You have to build your audience. You have to show up every day, and you have to post the videos. If I can do this, so can you. Stop telling yourself you can't, that you're not good enough, because you are.